It's Joe from Joleisa.com, and today it's quite hot. It has been for a couple of days, so we wanted to share with you how we make salads suitable for the weather and also cost effective. Now, I went to Aldi yesterday, my favorite supermarket, to get some ingredients that would be lovely for a salad. Now, the salad is unique because we're doing salad in a jar or salad in a glass. It's up to you what you make yours in. I've even got the small container from my NutriBullet. If that's what you have, go with it. Has a handle, easy to hold. Just put your salad in and sit and enjoy. Now, I'll show you some of the things that I'm going to add to the salad. I've got pasta, any shape will do, just cooked pasta, so make sure it's boiled and cooled. I've got some red and white quinoa from Aldi, my favorite. Any mixture of dried fruits. I've got raisins, sultanas, cranberry and so on. Just a mixture, any will do. Pitted black olives, a variety of peppers, and we've got red and yellow. You could choose your favorite. Sweet corn, that adds a sweet crunch to the salad, and I like that. Carrots, just grated, rough grated. You can use cucumber, tomatoes, radishes. My favorite to actually have in this salad is the quinoa, the olives, the sweet corn, but you choose, you do exactly what you want and enjoy your salad. I'm going to start off by showing you how I put one together, how colorful and attractive it is. It makes you want to eat the salad. And then I also want to show you what dressings you could use. Of course, it's all up to you. We've got mayonnaise, we've got salad cream. You can make up your own dressing, and guess what? The boy actually loves honey barbecue, so he'll have that on his salad. As I say, it's up to you, do what you like. So I'm going to make one. First one is mine, and I'm going to start off with quinoa. I like quinoa. It's not too rich in carbs, but it's quite high in protein. So I'll add some quinoa to the base of my salad. Something to look forward to at the bottom of the salad. I'm going to do it, or try, to make it layered so that it actually looks attractive and makes you want to eat it. So about 3 or 4 spoons of quinoa. Looks about right. I'll add another one. That's my quinoa done in the base. Nice and flat. By the way, did I say you can use any jars? These are actually mason jars that we bought. But you can use any jar that comes maybe with a sauce. You just need to make sure they're clean, run them through the dishwasher, and you're ready to have them. Right, in the base of mine, I've got my quinoa. I think I'm going to go with some sweet corn next. Should be a lovely look to see that layering. Lovely. I think that's about right. Okay. I'm going to go with some green next. So I'm going to add some of my bistro salad. It has greens and it also has reds from beetroot. So I'm going to go ahead with clean hands and add some sprinkling of red and green. And I'll show you how to make sure that everything actually goes down. Like that look. I'll add a little bit more of red to this one by putting my tomatoes in. I look forward to eating this one. Quite colorful. Perhaps tell us in the comments what would be your favorites to add to your own salad if you were making one for yourself. I'll go ahead and add some yellow peppers. I like those crunchy, sweet flavor of yellow peppers. Can you see my yellow and green, red, yellow and green theme coming up? Okay, that looks just about right. Orange, who says orange? I'll add, I prefer some salad cream, so don't leave it till the very end to put the salad cream or salad dressing on, because then it might be hard to mix. So a tablespoon or so of salad cream has gone in. I'm going to add a few dried fruits to mine and hope I get some cranberries. Just half of a handful. Just sprinkled in. I can't do without my olives, so I'll put in some black pitted olives. If you want to add cheese or meat, that's fine. If it's meat, just make sure it's cooked first and cooled, properly chilled, before you put it in. What do you think of my salad so far? I have space, I could probably do another layer. And I will do some cucumbers. Okay. Just to make it look fancy, I want to make sure it goes around the sides so you actually see the layers. Okay, that's one salad down. Several more to go, so we have all the ingredients ready. Now for the kid-friendly one, I'd not use quinoa unless they particularly liked quinoa. I'm going to use some pasta for a kid-friendly version. Now our kids like pasta, they like sweet corn, they like the grated carrots. One likes sweet pepper, so we put together a fancy one that they'll actually love. Come back later and I'll show you the range of salads that we produce, but just these few ingredients that we bought from my favorite supermarket, Aldi. See you soon.